In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the best Wayfair discount codes and coupons for huge savings. Wayfair, a popular online retail platform, offers a vast selection of furniture and home goods. To ensure you're getting the most bang for your buck, it's essential to know where and how to find discounts. First, head over to wayfair.com. This is your starting point where you'll browse thousands of goodies ranging from home decor to large furniture pieces. The next step is to create a Wayfair account if you don't have one already. It's quite user-friendly. Simply hit the register or sign up button and follow the prompts. Having an account is the gateway to unlocking various Wayfair perks, including access to exclusive discounts. If you've already signed up, don't forget to log in. Why? Because Wayfair often tailors their offers to your specific needs and browsing history. Now, after you've logged in, it's time to check your email for a welcome to Wayfair message. New users often receive a special welcome offer or promotional code, so be sure to check your inbox for any unexpected treasures. Next, consider subscribing to email and SMS alerts. While you might be wary of filling your inbox, Wayfair's newsletters can be incredibly rewarding. They not only keep you informed about huge sales and new arrivals, but also often include special discount codes exclusive to subscribers. So it's a little effort for a lot of returns. Another great tip is to download and frequently check the Wayfair app. The app is handy and sometimes offers app-exclusive discounts that aren't available on the website or through email. So make it a habit to check in regularly. Let's move to some external resources. Utilize trusted coupon websites. Many of these sites routinely update their coupon listings and provide user reviews to help you verify legitimacy. This way, you can cross-check available coupons for additional savings. Besides, never underestimate the power of seasonal or holiday sales. Wayfair is known for its deep discounts during major sales events like Black Friday or Memorial Day. Keeping track of these can lead to some of the best deals you'll find all year. Additionally, don't overlook daily sales. Wayfair frequently updates its daily deals section, often featuring discounts on top-selling items. Be quick because these deals usually have limited quantities and time. Checking closeout and clearance items is another surefire method of saving. These products are often heavily discounted to make room for new inventory, so you might score a significant bargain. To maximize your benefits, consider joining the Wayfair Rewards membership. Members often enjoy additional savings, free shipping on return items, and sometimes even faster access to sales events. Finally, when you've found all your desired items and discount codes, head to checkout and apply those discount codes. Enter them in the applicable field during the checkout process to see your savings instantly deducted from your total. By following these strategies, you can enjoy significant savings on your next Wayfair shopping spree and make the most out of every purchase. Happy shopping!